Welcome to another lesson from the deluxe version of Machine Gun Kelly's new album Ticket to My Downfall. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Split a Pill. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button, helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the intro is made up of 5 chords, the first of which is a D power chord. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Next is a B power chord, so you're going to place your pointer finger on the 7th fret of the low E string, your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string. Next is a G power chord, so you're just going to take the B power chord and move it down to the 3rd fret. And you do that 2 more times. Then we're going to go to an E chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Then we're going to go to an F sharp power chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the low E string, your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Then we're going to go back to the G power chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the verse. The verse is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a D power chord, which we already learned. Then a B power chord, which we also learned already. Then a G power chord, which we also learned already. Then an A power chord, so you're just going to take the G power chord and move it up 2 frets. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is made up of 2 chords, the first of which is a G power chord, which we already learned. Then an A power chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is the same as the intro, it's just a little different at the end. It sounds like this. Now the bridge. The bridge starts on a B power chord, which we already learned, and you're going to pick the low E string, then A string, then we're going to go to an A power chord, and you're going to pick the low E string, A string, then we're going to go to a G major chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret with your pointer finger, you're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Split a Pill. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.